All aboard the Tech News, Games, and Deals caboose. Tech News. Google I/O 2018 kicks off. Highlights include Google AI integration with healthcare, eye scan diagnosis, and predicting medical events. Accessibility receives improvements through Morse code Gboard support. Gmail Smart Compose suggests auto-completed responses. Google Photos suggests friend pic sharing, exposure improvements, document auto PDFs, auto color edits, and colorize old black and white photos. Impressive. TPU 3.0 chips are introduced and are 8 times more powerful. Google Assistant reveals everyone. 6 new voices and John Legend
it's predicted to be 75
as a voice. Google Assistant will feature continued conversations and multiple actions, including extremely complex requests. Plus, Pretty Please will help kids not treat the Google Assistant like it's some sort of slave and promotes positive responses when the masters say please.
Okay, Google, please tell me a story.
Thanks for saying please.
Smart displays go on sale July and demoed TV and cooking scenarios. Smartphone visual experiences showed smart home use cases, Starbucks food order pickups, and other partner deliveries, plus daily snapshots of your day. Google Assistant will integrate with navigation for sharing ETAs and will soon be able to make full, complete conversation with businesses to create appointments for the salon or dinner reservations, even in awkward conversations.
Hey, I'd like to reserve a table for Wednesday.
For when, tomorrow or weekend?
Oh, I gotcha. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Google Search is interested in digital well-being by providing dashboard time breakdowns, showing daily digest, plus Family Link for parents to monitor kids' screen time. Google's News initiative is improving products, partnerships, and programs. Google News through the Newscast app will provide briefings plus headlines, plus full coverage from multiple sources with AI highlighting reasoning with key moments and fact checks, plus easy access for following or subscribing to news publications across platform. Android P takes the stage with adaptive battery, learning your app habits, anticipating use, and adaptive brightness personalized. UI improvements through predictions reach 60% accuracy and evolve with app actions, predicting who you might call or when searching for a movie, to purchase tickets through Fandango. Furthering this search will enable Slice's API, granting apps options in search to book a ride or see photos. MLKit API is announced, featuring ready-to-use models, image labeling, recognition, and more built on TensorFlow Lite. Android multitasking receives improvements to swipe up overview or apps gestures, home button scrubbing, volume side UI with medium volume control, and rotation fix to navbar. Dashboard is broken down more into habits, app time, specific details, even desktop time. Set time limits or enter improved Do Not Disturb mode with Shush by flipping your phone over, and even set wind down grayscale mode for bedtime. Android P Beta is available today on 7 smartphone manufacturers. Google Maps shows off a For You tab with personal recommendations, trending spots, and your match score based on previous personal food ratings, as well as Shortlist, giving friends voting choices for where to go next. Walking navigation for a real-time street view and maps combined view, utilizing your camera and VPS. Amazing! Google Lens, camera app integration with smart text selection copying images. It's super useful, as well as Style Match, giving shoppers the ultimate tool, plus real-time results through the camera app. Finally, Waymo showcased its perception abilities and even new skills for snow diving and filtering all of the extra sensor data, granting a clear view. That was a lot of Google News. Games.Fortnite 4.1 patch lands with Avengers crossover and Thanos limited time event. A meteor delivers the Infinity Gauntlet. Claim it, transforming into Thanos. Use mighty structure, destroying punches, ground slams, energy beams, and super jumps, all with OP 200 shield plus 800 health. Storm Circle ending point is adjusted, and Save the World receives new hacksaw weapon. Will Royalers be able to save Fortnite from Thanos? Nintendo Switch launches online September with online play, save data cloud backup, smartphone app, and special offers. It's going to be great playing Splatoon on the train online with backup saving. And smartphone statistics all for $4 per month or $35 per year for 8-person families. Death Garden Alpha begins. Sign up for live phases and play as the OP Hunter in first person with special abilities, or as one of 5 agile runners in third person, trying to survive through teamwork and active tower objectives and randomized procedural maps. Blizzcon tickets go on sale for $200 on May 9th and May 12th. Is anyone gonna cosplay? Deals. Samsung receives price cuts for their 970 SSD launch lineup, which was pretty competitive for an already top-of-the-line new product. Original news sources and affiliate where to buy purchase links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe. Do you think Google will represent our new robot overlords at the next year's I/O production?